Hello, this is Victor from RestoringMercedes.com. This throttle body is for Julian in Indiana. Julian, this is your unit here. Just because the piece of original loom was cut open, I had to put a couple of inserts. I usually save a piece of original loom all the way to about maybe 3.5 inches, so I reuse it, but it's okay. I mean, I just taped it with cloth tape and some heat shrink with some glue, so it stays good, because you don't want to pull the wire out, you know, just in case. So anyway, I mean, the unit is ready to go. You saw the condition of your wires inside. They were pretty bad, actually terrible. There was nothing left from them. The insulation was crumbled all the way. I do not go aggressive on cleaning. I just clean it with some soda blasting, and comes out pretty nice. This is your new loom. The connector here connected to my e-gas module, so I'm going to activate it for you. Okay, so here's the activation. You hear the little electric noise, and you can see it follows. So this unit works nice now. I don't see any problems. Wires are already placed. Very nice and fluid, smooth, and I left it energized overnight to heat up the coil and the motor, and everything worked out well. Inside, the case was dirty. I had to clean it up a lot, but now it's all good, all clean, so it's ready to go. As you can see, I'm trying to close it, holds it nice, so it works. Everything's fine. One finger operation. So this unit is ready to go, finished. And I'm going to call you in a few minutes, and we can do the logistics. Alright, well, I can shut it down. Shut it down here. Put it back on. As you can see, unit is perfectly fine. Alright, well, that was a quick video to show the operation. More information can be found on my website, RestoringMercedes.com. Thanks for watching.